Hi, this is Tim with Expert Power Wash. Today we're putting together a buffer tank plumbing kit. Wanted to go over all the parts and fittings and make sure that you understand what's all in this kit and how everything all works. Let's start over here. This is 1-inch crush-proof hose. You have the hose barb there. This end would go to your pressure washer. Of course, the other end would go to the buffer tank, and there's some parts and fittings that go in between to make that all happen. So over here we have a 1-inch bulkhead along with a 1-inch 90 and the hose clamp. This T-strainer would be plumbed in between the pressure washer and the buffer tank, so you'd have to cut your hose, cut it down to size. And the hose barbs are there on either side along with the stainless steel clamps. Going on over here, this is your bypass hose. Let us know if you have a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch, because that'll change the size of hose that we send you, along with that sweeping 90 stainless steel hose barb there. So we have those in 1/2 inch and 3/8. Hose clamps are there. Back here, if you're plumbing together two of our slim 100-gallon tanks, you'll need these. This is 1.5 inch bulkheads, two of those, two of the 1.5 inch 90s, along with the oversized hose clamps there and the 1.5 inch crush-proof hose. We have included in this kit two extra pieces here. This is a 90. If you're going to, however you have it plumbed and how your system's laid out, you can put 190 off the T strainer filter. We don't recommend doing two of these here. It's going to restrict the water flow. We also included another one of these. If you're going to run your buffer tank plumbing straight out, then you could take this off. So a couple of extra little fittings to make everything universal and make everything work for you. So this is the two tanks tied together along with that 1.5 inch hose, the clamps, the bulkheads, the 90s. That is a drain hose. That's going to be part of another parts kit. I'll show you the filter system. So there's the hose going into the pump. There's that clamp there. Here is the filter. So you can see that it sweeps down into there. We have our filter mounted to the skid. But there's that hose barb clamp, another hose barb clamp, and then going into the 1-inch bulkhead along with that 90 and the clamps in place there too as well. If you have any questions about how this all plumbs together, take a look at our website. The listing will be in the video here, and that'll have all the information of what's in this kit.